everyone. Welcome back to English Storytime Tales. I'm Sam.
And I'm Lily. Hi, Sam. Hi, everyone. I'm really excited today. I had such a good feeling when I woke up.
Wow, that's a great start. Maybe today's topic made you happy.
Maybe because today we are talking about something super important for English learners.
Yes, today we are learning how to introduce yourself in English.
The number one question. Tell me about yourself.
People ask this everywhere, at school, at work, at parties, and interviews.
And it doesn't need to be scary. We're going to show you how easy it can be.
Yes, very easy. Okay, Lily, let's start. Tell me about yourself. What is your name?
My name is Lily. Nice to meet you, Sam.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Even though we meet every day.
I know, but it's good practice.
True. And my name is Sam.
So, Sam, where are you from?
I'm from Australia. I live in a small, sunny town with friendly neighbors and lots of trees.
That sounds so calm. I'm from India. I live in a big, busy city with traffic, lights, people, and so much energy.
Amused, quiet town boy and big city girl.
Exactly. We're very different, but it works. Sam, can I ask your age?
Sure, I'm 27 years old.
Nice. I'm 25. 2 years younger.
The young one.
Hey, you're not old either.
I guess not. So, Lily, what do you do?
I'm a digital design student. I love creating things on my laptop. Posters, illustrations, animations.
That's very cool. You're super creative.
Thank you. And what about you, Sam?
I'm an English tutor. I teach students from around the world.
And you explain things so clearly.
That's sweet. Thank you. Okay, let's talk family. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my younger brother. He's 21 and super energetic.
Energetic, good or bad?
Both. He annoys me, but he makes me laugh too.
That's what siblings do. I live with my parents and my older sister. She's 3 years older than me.
Are you too close?
Yes, very. She's my best friend sometimes and sometimes my boss.
Sounds right. Okay, Sam, pets. Do you have any?
Yes, I have a dog named Coco. She's tiny, fluffy, and acts like a queen.
Coco is such a cute name.
She thinks she owns the house.
Typical dog. I have a cat named Mealy. She sleeps all day, like she's on vacation.
That is such a cat thing.
Yes, definitely.
Lily, what's your favorite food?
Pasta. I love pasta.
I love noodles.
Pasta and noodles. We are food twins.
For sure.
Lily, what's your favorite color, Sam?
Calm blue. It's peaceful.
Mine is pink. It feels warm and happy.
Pink and blue, nice combination. Lily, what are your hobbies?
I love listening to music, and on weekends, I play badminton with friends.
That sounds fun. I love drawing and painting on my iPad.
You're very talented.
Thank you.
Lily, tell me something you like.
I like ice cream, any flavor.
Same, especially chocolate.
Same, me too. See, we match.
Yes, and what do you not like, Sam?
Annoyed tone? I don't like waiting in long lines.
Nobody likes that.
True?
Thinking, I don't like waking up early.
You really don't like it.
Not at all.
Thinking, Lily, let's talk about daily routine. What time do you usually wake up?
Embarrassed laugh. Around 8:30 or 9.
Teasing, wow, that's nice.
I know. And you?
Sam, calm. I wake up around 6:30.
Shocked?
6:30.
On purpose?
Yes,
My eyes would die.
you're so dramatic.
It's true. Curious. Lily, what do you do after you wake up?
Soft. I make tea, sit near the window, and enjoy quiet time.
Warm. That sounds peaceful.
Curious, what about you? Energetic? I go for a walk or do a quick stretch.
Impressed. That's healthy.
Laughing, I try.
Dreamy. Sam, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
Excited? Italy for the food and the history.
Laughing. Food first, history second.
Yes. Dreamy. I want to go to Japan. I want to see cherry blossoms.
Soft. That's beautiful.
Smiling. It's one of my dreams. Curious. If you could learn another skill, what would it be? Thinking, I want to learn photography. I want to take beautiful pictures.
Supportive. You would be great at that. Smiling. Thank you. And you?
Interested. I want to learn playing the guitar.
Interesting. I want to learn playing the guitar.
Excited? Guitar. That's amazing.
Laughing. Yes. But I need practice.
Curious, Lily, what were you like as a child?
Thinking. I was shy. Very shy.
Really?
Yes. Now I'm less shy.
Laughing, much less shy.
Hey!
Laughing. Curious, and you, Lily?
Laughing softly, I talked a lot.
Laughing, no surprise.
No surprise.
Laughing louder? Hey, Sam, what makes you happy? Warm, good food, good music, and talking with good friends.
Smiling. Oh, that's sweet.
Gentle? What about you?
Soft. Good conversations, nice weather, and drawing something I like.
Supportive? That sounds wonderful.
Curious. Do you have a dream for the future?
Thoughtful? Yes. I want to travel and meet my students in real life someday.
Smiling. That's beautiful.
Gentle? And your dream?
Soft. I want to open a small art studio where people can learn and create.
Warm? That fits you perfectly. Lily, tell me one weird thing about you.
I eat dessert before dinner sometimes.
Laughing loudly? That is very weird.
Laughing. I know. But life is short.
Laughing. I love your logic. Curious.
Your turn, Sam.
Embarrassed. I talk to my dog like she understands every word.
Laughing. That's not weird. Every pet owner does that.
Laughing, good to know.
Gentle. Sam, do you think introducing yourself is hard for English learners?
In the beginning, yes. But with practice, it becomes easy.
Yes, and small sentences are okay.
Exactly.
Lily, I enjoyed this conversation so much.
Me too, Lily.
I think we learned a lot about each other today.
Yes, and I hope everyone listening feels confident to talk about themselves now.
Simple English, simple sentences, big confidence.
Perfectly said.
That's right.
If you like this video, please click the like button.
Yes, please like the video. It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to our channel, English Storytime Tales.
When you subscribe, you can see more easy English videos.
We make simple lessons for you every week.
So click like, click subscribe, and stay with us.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next video. Bye.